So this is basically the first opening that we have. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can drop in the chat box and I'm going to answer each and every question, whatever you have, right? So let's start with the first job opening for the cybersecurity. This is cybersecurity analyst, SOC monitoring, secure monitoring role, right? So it's like two shifts are there. It's a rotating sim. Usually, if you work as a security analyst, then you'll be having a rotation shift. Sometime you need to work in the day, sometime you need to work from the office. And this is work from office. Delhi NCR is the location. Their responsibility, you need to do the casual things that SOC analysts do, right? And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Minimum 3 years of experience required, 3 to 5 years experience required, right? Now the next opening is basically for the network senior network engineer. Okay, it's in Malaysia on site. Minimum 7 years of experience required. By the way, I'm going to say you jobs for the freshers as well. But let's start with the experience, right? So if you want to apply for this role, this is a mail where you can drop your resume. This is on site Malaysia based job, and if you're not getting response, you can contact this number, right? Now next opening is basically in uh, 3 iHub IIT Kanpur, I guess. Yes, they are hiring for cybersecurity researcher engineer for the honeypot, and this is a link from where you can apply. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Guys, this is a good opportunity. I highly recommend you to do because this is a kind of research job, right? Now next opening is network security engineer. They are the key responsibilities. They are the requirement. These are the what if you have all those things. This is a mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next opening is for the application security experts, 5 to 7 years of experience required. Application security, this is the immediate joining. And this is what are the qualifications which is required, right? This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next is someone is hiring for the vulnerability management and security testing role. You need to do VAPT, right? And the other things, certification, all these certification is required. And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for training or internship, or if you want to learn about how SOC work, how to get a job, how web application pen testing work, how to learn, then you can check out both the top URLs, right? Now the next is Brain Station 23 is hiring for the associate security engineer. 16 April is the deadline, and this is a link where you can fill out the form to get a job, right? Now next one is cybersecurity engineer. It's in Doha. So there are a couple of 4 to 5 openings. So just pause this video and check out. And this is what you can see, the email ID on which you can drop your resume, right? So there are a couple of good openings, right? You can see, and they are going to pay you some good amount as well. Next is again a lot of things. So just filter out for the cybersecurity, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. It's for Pan India. Next is guys, there is cybersecurity proof of Pakistan. Pakistan government is already itself looking for a job. I don't know why I'm posting here. Yes, next is SOC Analyst. Okay, for 2 plus years of experience required. BTech should be the experience. Chennai, Mumbai is the location. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. This should have hands-on experience in all those things, and this is what you can see, the skills and other thing which is required. Just write down all those things in the subject line as well. Now next opening is cybersecurity analyst, which is for monitoring purpose. 3 to 5 years experience is required. This is the same job I've already said. Okay, and just make sure to write this into the subject line, right? Now next opening is network engineer, data center in Bangalore. 1 years of experience is required. Network engineer is the role. You need to do some sort of hardware related work, right? And these are the required skills, and they are the preferred skills. This is the mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Anjali at team lease.in, right? That's what we have for today. Thank you very much. This is for web application pen testing learning internship training internship program, and this is for SOC if you want to learn and get some job, right? So that's what we have. You can ask your question. Thank you very much.